Hello everyone, welcome to series of how to streamline your SOC integration with FortiAnalyzer in under 5 minutes. In today's rapidly evolving threat landscape, security operations centers require robust tools that not only provide centralized visibility but also streamline incident detection and response. FortiAnalyzer, a core component of the Fortinet security fabric, empowers SOC teams by delivering advanced log management, analytics, and incident detection capabilities in one platform. This demo demonstrates how FortiAnalyzer consolidates logs from FortiGates, FortiClient EMS, and FortiAuthenticator to provide normalized data analytics powered by machine learning for enhanced incident detection and response. The SOC dashboard in FortiAnalyzer is designed to provide security teams with a centralized, real-time view of their organization security posture. The SOC dashboard provides an overview of incidents, events, and alerts. By clicking on widgets in the dashboard, you can open the detailed information in the Incidents and Events pane as well as other panes in FortiAnalyzer UI. The Device Manager in FortiAnalyzer lists all the managed devices including FortiGates, FortiClient EMS, and FortiAuthenticator that sends logs to FortiAnalyzer. Navigate to the log view and click the FortiGate icon to view all network traffic types. The Security Summary dashboard provides a holistic view of security events, including detailed logs, application logs, IPS logs, and anomaly logs all in one place. Provides detailed logs from FortiClient EMS, including user-specific logs, system event logs, and security event logs. These logs encompass all managed users, devices, and detected vulnerabilities for comprehensive analysis and monitoring. Logs from FortiAuthenticator, including user authentication events such as successful or failed login attempts. These logs include user details, IP addresses, and authentication types, helping SOC administrators identify potential brute force attacks or unauthorized access attempts. FortiAnalyzer comes with default event handlers that automatically generate events for various activities across the network. These default handlers ensure out-of-the-box visibility into critical events, reducing the need for manual setup. Dive deeper into endpoint-specific logs to analyze activities from the managed devices, including user actions, system vulnerabilities, and compliance statuses. Default automation playbooks to streamline incident response and threat mitigation. These playbooks are pre-configured to address common security events and can be triggered automatically when specific conditions are met, enabling faster and more consistent responses. Let's take an example of how compromised host playbook looks like. It will automatically isolate a compromised endpoint from the network to prevent further spread of threats, and the trigger can be detected malware, high-risk vulnerabilities, or repeated failed login attempts. The final action can be send a quarantine command to the FortiGate or FortiClient EMS and notify administrators with details of the affected endpoints. Automatically generates incidents using event correlation handlers and playbooks, eliminating the need for manual intervention. Incidents can be drilled down for detailed analysis with specific logs tied to endpoints or users. Outbreak detection service automatically downloads event handlers and reports created by Fortinet in response to known outbreaks. Real-time outbreak alerts are identified instantly. Here we can see an attack of an unauthorized access attack, which is critical. Compromised host incidents are triggered automatically, providing end-user details and related logs for rapid investigation. We can drill down the log analysis of the event by clicking View Logs and shows the end-user source and destination, which was compromised and quarantined by the playbook. FortiAnalyzer associates incident and event information with the relevant tactics and techniques, and also displays coverage in the MITRE ATT&CK matrices, so you can determine which event handler helps to cover specific tactics and techniques. Finally, FortiAnalyzer SIEM capabilities parse, normalize, and correlate logs not only from Fortinet products but third-party firewalls, web servers, and other security solutions. Stay tuned for the next part of the SOC series, where we explore even more tools and strategies to enhance your security operations. Thank you for watching the demo.